Right, so your engine's going back together now. So timing is all done. I had to replace the bolt which goes into the oil pump, so that delayed me. We've replaced this pipe here. So this is your oil drain that goes from the turbo. That's a brand new one because the other one was leaking badly. This is such a difference on the flywheel now. That play before is gone. And yeah, so I'm now going to put the clutch on and build it back up. So as you can see, the gearbox is now on. Now, as just a reference, these Torx bolts on the gearbox are 60 Newton meters. These are the bigger ones, and the small ones here are 20 Newton meters. So I'm going to make sure they're torqued up, and we're going to get the engine back in shortly. Right, so this is L9AAV, or as was anyway. Engine's in, all back to go, I'm about to start it. So we've done the water pump, which you can see is new down there. We've done a new timing chain, and I've replaced a few other things along the way, like the turbo drain pipe, to make sure that oil weight goes away. So let's say I need to bleed through the fuel now, because obviously we've broken the fuel lines, and there'll be I've got to drive it back through to the engine. So we'll do that, and I'll come back when it's started. So I've had it running briefly, and I've got really bad injector puff. Now that's when the seals in the injectors aren't good. This one was very badly puffing at some point before because that was filthy. So I need to take the injectors out and put new injector seals in there now. The copper wash at the bottom, clean out the bores. Bit of a faff, I'm afraid, but that's what we need to do. Right, so we've now replaced the injector seals and give it a start, please, Jake. Sounds good. Rattle's gone. Right, so the car can now be reassembled. Happy days. And here she is. I've not done the registration numbers, but everything else is done. Sounds all right. There's no major horrible noises. So there we go.